What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we pulling up at Showtime transmission rebuild, man. We about to drop big Dolo off. Everything working as planned, man. Everything going like I wanted it to. I say that, man. We got my boy Cool Cars KJ on the way to grab this thing, but cause y'all see, I still have not got a call from the trailer people. They playing, man. They playing with my emotions. They playing with my emotions, man. But I guess it is what it is. It's out of my power, huh? They the one, like y'all heard my boy Juvie, man. Juvenile. They the one playing around with my emotions, huh? They the one playing with the axle line. They don't want to get it back, huh? But nah, man. So I had to call my boy KJ. You know, if I can't make it happen, I'm always gonna use somebody I know and support them, regardless of what. So we got him coming. So I'm about to get brown coat moved. Dolo will be back very quickly. Very quickly. I could have drove it down there, which I would have, but DJ ain't gonna be able to get to it today. Or it's gonna be late when you get to it, I should say. So but I have it back tomorrow. I better get it tomorrow, which I'll probably pull it back too. And if they ain't got my axle by tomorrow and I can't pull it back, I'm driving it back home. I'm driving back home. I ain't paying to get it towed twice. I just did it today, cost of time too. Just time, man. We had to go to Shell. We had to go to Shell a little Thanksgiving dinner and all that. Wife gotta go pick them up, all this stuff. So it just been too much. By the time she got finished, we get together and try to trail me down there. It been too late, so I gotta catch and get it down there before DJ closed. So they gonna jump on it first thing in the morning. So I had to call KJ, let KJ get it, and I just follow him and take the transmission. So I'm gonna get this stuff moved and we're gonna wait till KJ pull up, so y'all stay tuned. y'all see it, man. Boy KJ pulled up that quick. I gotta see what's rattling on this thing too. Heard it yesterday. Some vibrate. Sound like flywheel, but I'll turn y'all back on in a minute after we get this thing loaded up. So y'all stay tuned.
Not chasing the whole axle sometimes is cheaper than
It is.
just getting the brakes.
Easier too. Easier, man. So we got KJ out here, man. Cool car.
Y'all know how it goes.
Yes, indeed, man. Cool car, KJ in the building.
In the building, man. Hey, I'm
10
happy,
toes.
I'm happy to let the legendary Dolo grace the trailer, man.
Yes, indeed.
It's a pleasure and an honor.
He came through for me, y'all. We got the thing loaded up. I told y'all it's some rattling on there. Sound like I got some bolts loose in the flywheel, but good thing we finna take transmission out anyway, so we'll check that. We'll check that out and all of that. So, you know, he got this thing strapped down. I'm about to actually head that way too, y'all. So I'm about to go put the transmission on the truck. I'm about to put the transmission on the back of the truck. And shoot, head down that way, man. Get it done. So y'all stay tuned. Gonna turn y'all back on in a few.
Just a second ago, it was hitting. I tried to get the damn straps off so I can get the picture.
Oh yeah, get a good picture.
They're about to come back.
There it is, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, man. Y'all see? 10 toes. Got it over here. Good little ride, man. Good little ride. So we're over here at Showtime Transmission Rebuilds. Y'all already know. Hit the number. I got KJ info on the screen too for all your towing needs, hauling, everything, man. Hit them up. Then you got Showtime right here. Y'all hit the number. Y'all know I got Showtime everything and all of mine and all that. So yeah, man, we're gonna get this thing unloaded. And over here, we're gonna holler at DJ. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so checking in, man. I'm finna go over here and holler at DJ in a minute. KJ finna be on the way. He got more work to tend to, man. Boy, you know I appreciate you again, KJ.
Yes, sir.
He finna be.
Hey, if I'm around, I'm gonna get you taken care of now.
Most definitely, man.
Yes,
Every time he take care of me, so
Yes, sir.
you know it. So yeah, he finna hit the road, man. I appreciate him again. I put the information on the screen, social media, all that stuff, so y'all can hit him up. It's on the truck right here too. Y'all always got a campaign. Let me show it to y'all on the truck. Boom. So there go the YouTube. And there go the Instagram. Just like that. Cool_cars_KJ. The YouTube, Cool Car KJ. If you're not following, go subscribe, man. This is Truck Guard, man. So y'all know. And got my fam DJ, Showtime. What up, brother?
You know it.
Man, this ain't that. This ain't
That's
it.
the baddest cat in the land.
That's
right
it. That's it. He
land.
finally drove this thing. He finally drove this thing over here, man. DJ got a lot of toys. He don't be drive stuff.
Make sure you showing
Hey,
that
look.
bumblebee. Showing that bumblebee in the front.
It's a scat pack, man. Scat pack. He said the baddest scat in the land, and it bad too, y'all. it is bad. I tell you that much. So, yeah, man. I'm gonna have to hit this thing before I leave, so y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm finna holler at my fam, and I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all. Still over here at Showtime, man. Just got finished talking, man. Me, DJ, and I ain't even get his name, man. He been supporting for a long time, so I appreciate him. We just talking about some life stuff, having good conversation. So could have put it on camera, but man, you know, sometimes you just gotta cherish the moments without a camera stuff. So man, this gonna be my first time hearing this thing. Y'all probably like, what you mean hearing? Now, I done seen it before, but it's it gonna sound different. It gonna sound different from when I heard it. So You know. Yeah, man. I told DJ, I said I'm gonna do the tie check. I said DJ about that tread, boy. He been getting active back there.
Gotta go get the keys, they ain't at the bottom.
Oh, alright. Gonna get the key. I told him, man, I had to do the tie check, boy. He been getting active in this thing. He going to the other shop to get the key. So you know. Yeah, DJ. Yeah, man, I wanna hear this thing, but when he get back, let me turn y'all back on, then head back to the house. I'm glad we got Big Dolo over here, man. I know DJ will be hitting me sometime tomorrow. So he gonna get that thing knocked out. We get it back. I hope they have my axle, I hope they have my trailer axle, cause they done missed the day again today. They told me today, and they didn't keep their word, or I go get my money back. And I have somebody just take the car for me, and then I go buy an axle somewhere else, man. Cause, you know, I'm patient, I bear with people, but just tell me what it gonna be straight up. If it's something on somebody else end, I understand it, you know. Ain't hard to work with. But we're gonna wait. DJ get back. I'll turn y'all back. Alright, y'all, so we back. I just heard this thing, but can't let y'all hear it. You can't let y'all hear it, man. Not it. Everything sound good. Yeah, man. Maybe in the future. Maybe in the future. So y'all don't be upset.
I might show it on my page. I might do the same, but on my YouTube page in a minute.
That's what you need to do.
Yeah, I might put it on my YouTube.
Man, y'all go subscribe to DJ page and go to his last video, man, and flood the comments, tell him to get to work. That's all I put a lot on too. I mean, on his last video, whatever his last video is, put get to work so he can see how many people come over there.
Man, we got some toys in the making, man. A lot of toys, man. I'm gonna try to document much as I can on it, man. I got some toys.
You got some stuff. He got some stuff for real. Like, he really got some toys, man. But he don't show nothing, say nothing. But he got some footage for y'all and some education stuff y'all can learn with transmission, like that we were just talking about. So go on over there, subscribe too. Just hold your horses. Just sit tight. You gonna have stuff come, but do that. Put them in the comment though. Put them in the comment though, y'all. I'm gonna go look at them too. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get to the house, cause I ain't got nothing else to do. I'm gonna go get some gas and then turn y'all back on. All right, so we back at the house, man. Good little day at Showtime Transmission Rebuilds. Good chatting with my fam. Always, man. We always have good talks and stuff. And we get down there. I got the racing gas. I got me a can today. So we're gonna put this up. We got the nitrous. I'm good. Got that for Big Dolo for the track. Hopefully, man, I'm already gonna plan me a backup in case they don't call me with that axle, man. Call. I'm already done put in my mind they ain't gonna call, cause they ain't called today, and I don't know. So I'm gonna already work on another plan for that. I see wifey going somewhere. She actually in the money color. I can't believe it. Can't believe it. She actually drive her money color. But yeah, man. Big Dolo, got Big Dolo down there. Should be picking it up tomorrow. Like I said, what my fam say when he say, hey, this day is that day. That's what it is. So should be getting Big Dolo back tomorrow. Then we have the tram brake. And like I said, man, it was a little, I don't know if y'all heard it, little vibrating, knocking sound. I believe one of the converter bolts loose, or done vibrated loose. Cause I got on there and I started listening. I said it's definitely converter bolt or something with the flywheel. So I hope my fam, if he get on it early, man, and we discover it's a cracked flywheel. I already got it in my mind prepared. I got an extra one, but I run up to Summit, go get another one, or I might just go get one tomorrow anyway, and I'm gonna have to have one anyway. I might just go buy one, go up to Summit, just plan to go up to Summit tomorrow in case it is cracked. I have it down here already. And then if he need it, he say, hey, I need it. I run it to him. I won't have to worry about going up there killing time, because something kill a lot of time. So might be what I do. Cause something definitely, it ain't nothing in the engine. Obviously, I know that for a fact. But easy way to check when you want to check that, if without taking transmission out, you just take your converter bolts loose and then crank the engine up. You can tell if you got a cracked flywheel. I don't know if people knew that, but that's how you tell this. You ever hear something tapping? I done cracked flywheels before. I know what it sounds like. But just get under there, take your converter bolts loose, take all of them loose, and crank the engine up. If it stops, you got a cracked flywheel. Then you know what you got to do from there, take the transmission out. With mine coming out anyway. But that flywheel, like I said, fairly new. But if all that fail, I got a backup SFI approved. I always get SFI approved stuff. I got a backup. I throw it on there for the time being. If I have to, we'll come back, we'll change it later. Might not ever have to change it. But yeah, that's it, man. That's it. I'm keeping y'all updated along the way. I want to shout out the Cool Car KJ again for coming through, saving the day, cause I had to get that car up there today. So I appreciate him coming through, saving the day, man, cause otherwise it would have been night, a damn near night when DJ finna close. By the time I got it down there, cause I would have had to drive it. Wifey would have had to follow me and all that. But that's the plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow, man, we're gonna pick it up. I'm gonna drive it all the way back. I'm probably gonna take 2 of my 15s, cause I don't want to drive that far on my radials. It peel your tires. I drive around where I'm at. I really don't want to do that. I just don't want to take them off until I go to the track. When I go to the track this week, which is gonna end up being Saturday, which y'all might be seeing the video on Saturday or after Saturday, cause I got so many shots. But anyway, when I go to the track, this time I spread. If it hook up, I'm taking the radials and front runners off and put my wheels on, and they're gonna be on the car for a long time. I'm putting the wheels on and start trying to get me a number out of them. So, and while we at it, I'm finna this going somewhere. This definitely going somewhere. SOB. Go ahead and get it going. So yeah, man, that's it, man. I'm finna move this stuff back around and all that. I'll catch y'all later. Appreciate y'all. BCG. We out.